This is not just a fighter jet. This is the future of war. The next war won't be fought by pilots alone. It will be fought by machines. Machines that think faster than humans can even react. But before I decode this secret evolution, make sure to subscribe to DefNexus, because here I break down what others can't. So what actually makes a fighter jet 6th generation? First, it's not just an aircraft anymore. It's a flying command center, packed with sensors, processors, and network links. Unlike older jets that were all about speed and dogfights, these new jets are built to see first, strike first, and disappear first. Second, next-level stealth. Not just radar invisibility. We're talking about hiding from heat sensors, satellites, even electronic tracking. Some concepts even mention adaptive stealth, changing their shape or surface in real time to confuse enemy sensors. Third, artificial intelligence. These jets will have AI copilots. They'll analyze threats, suggest tactics, even control the aircraft if needed. The human isn't the fastest brain in the cockpit anymore. Fourth, drone army control. A 6th-gen fighter won't fight alone. It'll command swarms of unmanned drones, scouts, attackers, decoys, turning one jet into an entire miniature air force. Fifth, network warfare. These jets are deeply connected with satellites, ground radars, ships, and other assets, sharing data instantly. It's not one versus one anymore. It's a complete battlefield system, all talking to each other in real time. And finally, future weapons. Hypersonic missiles, electronic warfare, even laser weapons are being tested on prototype platforms right now. So understand this clearly. A 6th-generation fighter is not just about being faster or stronger. It's smarter, it's invisible, it's connected. And in future wars, the side with better intelligence, not just firepower, will dominate the skies. Subscribe to DefNexus, because the next war is already being designed.